Sohkha Govt High Secondary School Science Stream kabala sdang naduh snem arhajar khatsau haka khandai terik ubanai kala lingkot arhajar arpulai kala yo la ka Jong ka building ne ka science block kabala tei haka Jinglut kumba shiklur nyo pulai lak khatlai hajar shispa tingka bat kablawan ban plie paidbah ru iaka do myntri ka tnat pule puthi ka sorkar Jylla ubalong ru emele ka thaiñ Lahkmen Rymbui. Hakani ke jing plie paidbah la don lang ka kong RM Kurba, Director of School Education and Literacy Meghalaya Shillong, UBDR Tiwari, Commissioner and Secretary ke Education Government of Meghalaya, KAP Aim, DSEO West Giant Hills District, UR Sumer, Principal ke Sohkha Govt High Secondary School, Bat Kiwei. UPS Suchen kum uwe ni kinong yalam Shillong ke Sohkha, habakren ula pensngawi ke jingat lenti ke ni ke skul naduh pasdang iaka haus snem khat khandai spa san pukhandai hadu bapoi hakani ke klemat. Hakajuk kapor ula pensngau ru ia ke jingdon kam bakani ke skul ke dawa banyo kum ke auditorium ke skul bus banchna penbha ye ki benta ke ying skul ki balas new bat kiwei.
The science stream in Sohkha. I'm very happy that not only the street, we know the need of the block, and this is being constructed. As Ba Shushen has already mentioned, this building will not be only building. This building will be full of life with all the fixtures and all the furnitures which needed to be in this institution for the benefit of students. Because the tender through government e-marketplace is being opened today. So the vendor who are successful through the government e-marketplace will supply all the fixtures and all the furnitures to this esteemed institution. As I said, life is beautiful because nothing is complete. We have to do, redo, and we need new thing. So today we have come to one step. As the Vice-Chairman mentioned, there are many things which need to be done. Hapok education kam day tam kini. Kibun kijinit kijinat. Kiba hap banle bat hap penbian. Handrai ngasno penat hagni sandli snem. Bang sorkar kala yele Shillong kat bala pan penbian jidon kam Jong Skul sorkar kelen ka state. Previous of commission ya ka insul blat nyolak ang te bat kaneng iladet hapo nong telang iladet bat kumjo menne hapo umlat khur ngilasakhi ya ka jimbo mau nong rim makin slang lo banshna ya ka skul kaba south san klor nyu kundai lak kundai hajar kapat aji ka free of cost na unta ki baduk ki badyo admission hang tu nado class 6 hado class 12